Hey Rick, I'm going to show you real quick how to do those hyperlinks as we talked about. The first thing I'd recommend, instead of typing the article in an email, in an open email, I would do it in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word does a really good job with catching any formatting or spelling errors. So once you've polished the article, you could then just attach that document onto your email. So just to give you an example, I highlighted a few of the things that it found. By putting this into Microsoft Word, I was able to see with a red underline, let me take the highlight off here real quick. A red underline is a spelling error. So as you can see, corporation, it's missing the T. So you could just right click and find the correct spelling. Click it and it will automatically change and the red line will disappear. If it's a green line, that means it's some kind of formatting error. So again, we'll take the highlight off there and you can see this green line right there. That looks to me like it's just a spacing. There's two spaces in between there. So anyway, again, I went through and anywhere where you see yellow, it kind of shows that there was some kind of format or spelling error. So that's why I'd recommend doing it in Word. The other reason I'd recommend doing it in Microsoft Word is it's the easiest way to do the hyperlink. So let's show you how to do that. Let's go down to one of the links. Here we go. This link we deleted and we made the Massey Cancer Center the hyperlink. So what you need to do is, well, first of all, let's go ahead and change this the spelling error. I'll undo the highlight. So Virginia. So let's go ahead and find the correct spelling right there. So what you need to do is go ahead and highlight the actual link that you want it to go to, and you're going to copy it. So you can right click and copy, or you can just press Control C and that will copy it. Then you highlight what you want to actually be the new hyperlink. So highlight the whole word like that. You right click and you're going to hit the hyperlink. You get this pop-up. We're going to make it a existing web page. If it was like an email address, you could do the same thing. You click that, but you would just type in the email address in the subject. But we're going to be putting in a website, so we're going to paste what we had copied, this original URL. So you can right click and paste, or just click Control V and it will paste it. Go ahead and click OK, and you'll notice that it becomes underlined and becomes a hyperlink, and you can delete off the old one. Now to test it, sometimes you can just click it, or sometimes it tells you to press Control plus to click. So Control, click, and let's see if it actually goes to that site. Alright, looks like it worked. So that's what you're going to do for all of them. We'll just do this one again really quick. You're going to highlight the official URL that you want it to go to. Again, Control C to copy. And then we are going to want to make Mayo Clinic the new hyperlink. So you highlight Mayo Clinic, right click, hyperlink. It's a web page that we're going to. So you can click Control V or paste into there, click OK, and it changes. So we can delete off that URL. So you'll want to make all those changes once you've done the formatting, obviously, and the spelling, and then you've changed all your hyperlinks. You can send it up to your webmaster or the ones who send your final emails. So if you wanted to do a word like here, where was that one? Right here. The full list of location is accessible. We'll go ahead and copy that. Control C. Let's go ahead and type in the word here. You can either do it all caps or lowercase. Sometimes you see it in all caps. So we'll now highlight what we want to be a hyperlink. Right click. Hyperlink. Control V or paste, click OK, and there's your hyperlink. You can delete the long URL. So if you have any questions on that or don't have access to Word, let me know and I might have a few other options for you. But hopefully that helps. Good luck. Thanks.